These are the video explainer for beginners in a tech by African EdTech. You can call me Mimi Digital, and we are aimed the series at people who come from the African diaspora. We might speak Pidgin, Patwa, or Creole. So welcome to part 2 of our series of 5 videos, and we are going to explain the front end. By the end of this video, you have to choose your next steps and know where you want the next for your digital future, and get more familiar with the front end. We now take a closer look on the front end. So where we have and where we are talking about the front end and the back end before, we talk about this in the context about the front end and the back end and work together with the operating system. So now we're going to focus on what make up the front end. So anything where you interact directly with, any actions or transactions where you are directly work with, whether at the software or the hardware machinery. Then when they work together, that you will interact with the front end as an end user, we carry out different actions as you can see. So then here are so many examples for what you can do with the front end as end user. So all of them things here take place, or you see them take place on the front end. But of course, something that happen at the back end regarding this. So name 1 or 2 things where you learn where you never know before, make note of them. And if you want to know more, click the next video. Ask yourself what next you want to do. What option you want to explore. Press pause and maybe share the video with somebody. Stay online, explore, pause, just do some. It's your digital future and to help you plan your digital future too. Visit the website or email me to give your feedback. What to improve, what topic you want we to do next. Ask questions, get expert answers, and so many other resources on my website too. But that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.